What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is day 8 of my Ftmo challenge. And man, let me tell you guys, I thought I was going to fail the challenge today. I just made it by the skin of my teeth. Let's take a look at my stats for today. So if you look right here, the max daily loss, 5,000, and I was at 4,030. That was so scary. I was like, oh my gosh, I think I'm going to fail the challenge. I had a few trades. I don't monitor my trades like 24/7. This morning when I got up, I was looking at the trades and I had a few that were in the negative, and I looked at my trading system. It told me to exit out on a few trades. Some trades it told me to stay in. Let's take a look at the trades that I closed. So the ones in blue, we already went over those in yesterday's video. So here are the ones that we haven't gone over. So today I closed CAD JPY. This trade I actually had opened from the start of the FTMO challenge, and it was doing pretty well. So I had took some profit from that trade. I closed half of the lots and took a profit here. So that's the reason why this one was closed. And then we got USD Cad. This was also doing pretty well. And I closed and took some profit off of that as well. So the CAD JPY is currently still running. Yeah, so I took half of the lots off. So this one is still open, but actually this one is closed, but the remaining half is still running. And then the USD CAD, I took some profit from that. That was doing pretty well. And then after that, we got New Zealand dollar USD. That one was actually this actually, if I'm correct, it actually hit my stop loss. So yeah, I didn't catch this one in time, so it took it hit my stop loss, and so I took a loss there. Then after that, we got USD franc. This one I actually my trading system or my exit indicator told me to get out of this trade, so I ended up having to close this trade. Took a loss here as well. And then we go back to the USD CAD. If you remember from earlier here, it was doing pretty well, and I took some profit. I closed, and then at this point again, it was still in profit, but my exit indicator told me to get out of the trade because the trend was starting to reverse. So instead of holding on to see how much higher it would go, I just followed my trading system and listened to my exit indicator and exit out and took the remaining profit from that trade, which was good. So I took a win there. And then the last trade close was Euro USD. This one wasn't doing too well. My exit indicator told me to get out of this trade, and so I exited out of that trade. So those are the wins and losses that I took. Um, very, very close. Almost hit my max daily loss. So we're in day 8 of this FTMO challenge. Let me open up my MetaTrader to show you guys the trades that I opened. I took one new trade today, and yeah, so I took one new trade today. Here's how it's looking so far. The new trade that I took was AUD CAD. Um, so I went short on that. You can see here. And then we got the CAD JPY. This one is the trade that has been open since I started the challenge May 3rd. So this one's been running for like over a week. I took some profit off because it was doing well, so I took some profit, and I moved the stop loss to break even. And as you can see, it's still open now. The CAD JPY is still doing well. Gonna ride this trend all the way until my exit indicator tells me to exit out, so I could take the remaining profit. And then the GBP USD. This is a trade that I took a few days back, and it's in negative. It was actually negative like I want to say like 1200. So it's starting to reverse and go in my direction, um, which is good. So it's getting lower. And then we got Frank JPY. I took this trade a few days back as well, and it's currently in profit. So as you can see, my equity right now, it's on 94, about 94,000. So I'm in the negative. I started out with 100,000, so I'm like about 6,000 in the negative. But I'm still in the game. We're still not done yet, and we got some time. So man, so that's just my stats for today. Wanted to share it with you guys, and yeah, man, it's been like a roller coaster. I thought I was done for today, but I happened to make it, and so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Gonna try to open up one more new trade, see what things are looking like. So that's my update for today, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.